Hello everyone, this is Dmitry from Galileosky, and we continue learning about the Configurator software features. Today we are going to discuss Signaling Settings tab. Settings on this page allow you to set some tracking device reaction to different events without using easy logic algorithms. Yet some features are available only with the signaling tool and can be arranged via algorithms. For example, the panic button and strike and incline detection. From the signaling feature perspective, the device can be in three possible states: signaling off, signaling on, and alarm. The device can switch between states automatically as a reaction to different events or via corresponding commands. Command S enables the signaling, DS disables it and deactivates the alarm state. Command ST allows you to learn about the current signaling state. So let's see which settings are available for us. Run the configurator, go to Settings and choose Signaling Settings tab. The first parameter group is called General Settings. Green wave field allows you to set in seconds the time while the device will ignore alarm-causing events after enabling the signaling. The logic here is the same as in your common office signaling system. At the end of the day, you enable the signaling and have some time to leave the office without triggering the alarm, even though you are obviously detected by the movement sensors. This is exactly the green wave in action. The max time in alarm field allows you to set the time in seconds, after which the device will automatically disable the alarm state after the alarm triggering event was deactivated. By default, this feature is disabled, but you can specify the necessary time. For example, 5 seconds. Use iButtons parameter allows us to choose the signaling reaction to different iButton or RFID keys. The device can react only to trusted keys or to any possible keys, and the signaling can be turned on or off by those keys. Notification phones field allows us to specify up to 4 phone numbers for notifications in case of alarm. There could be SMS or phone call notifications, which depends on settings. Next goes Input Settings block. As it was before on Inputs/Outputs page, inputs here are configured independently. At the same time, settings on this page are closely related to settings on Inputs/Outputs tab. The thing is that the signaling reacts to logical states of inputs, so your inputs must be configured correctly. In the regime field, you need to choose how the signaling must react to the input's state changes. In not used regime, the input is ignored by the signaling feature. In Enables/Disables signaling mode, the input will turn the signaling on when active and turn it off when inactive. When the Enables alarm in the signaling mode regime is chosen, the input triggers the alarm when in active mode, but only when the signaling was enabled in advance. Enables alarm regime is similar, but the alarm is triggered by the input no matter the state of the signaling. And the last mode allows you to disable the alarm when the input is in inactive state. The delay after response parameter allows us to set the time in seconds between the input state change and the signaling system reaction to this change. In Notification Type field, you can choose the type of notification. The device can send SMS notification, make a call, or take a photo that will be automatically sent to the monitoring software. In case of activation, the device will send SMS messages to all phones for notification and will call to all phones one by one. In the message field, you can specify the SMS notification text. In this text, you can use special markers like %IMA, %LAT, and %LON. %IMA will be replaced by the actual device IMA. %LAT and %LON will be replaced by the current coordinates. In addition to phone notifications, you can also set the device output reaction to different signaling events, and each output can react differently. Each output can change state or send specific pulses as a reaction to enabling or disabling the signaling, or as a reaction to the triggered alarm. Delay of response parameter allows you to set in seconds the delay between the signaling event and the output reaction. As additional signaling event sources, you can set the GNSS unit data and accelerometer readings, but we will discuss those settings in the next video. That's all for today. Dmitry was with you. See you in the next video.